Glow in the dark. Hey guys, welcome back to 3D Print Farm. You might notice it's a little dark in here. Well, that's because last week we talked about using Harz Labs glow-in-the-dark resin. I printed the Banshee by Crosslances. Let's check it out. Did you notice I'm not using my gloves because I've already printed it and the vat is empty. So no worries. Check this out. This is the Banshee. Turned out really nice. Very cool. And I know you're probably asking yourself, well, does it glow in the dark? Check this out. Pretty cool, eh? Mwah. Ooh. Wow, that scared myself. Next step, painting this bad boy. Or I should say this bad girl. Let's go do it. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I tried. So, this is what it turned out like here. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of zoom here. So yeah, I tried to do some painting. As you see in the previous footage, I started painting it. So, two things happened. Number one, after I got through painting a little bit of it, I dropped it and snapped off her head, snapped off her arm that I still can't find, and of course the chain that was subsequently attached to her arm. So I glued her head back on, tried to salvage it, but this resin is just brittle, and if you drop it, it's gonna break. So I went ahead and painted it. I didn't think it turned out too bad. It has two layers of the Citadel green and with a white dry brush. So yeah, I mean, it looks good, but the problem that I have with this is that I thought this was going to be translucent. So after I put the paint on, put it under the light, it's not glowing. So you know what? It happens. We fail. But I'm a big man and I'm not ashamed to admit my failures. But what I could do is if I hadn't have dropped it, I'd probably end up soaking this in simple green for about 24 hours and all the acrylic paint will come off. You can just scrub it right off with a toothbrush. Most of it will just flake off. What I probably should have done is just dry brushed it with a white just to kind of hit the high points and then just left it glow in the dark. But you guys did see it glow in the dark because I showed you at the beginning of this video. So again, not a total failure, but Harz Labs glow in the dark resin, I give it 2 thumbs up. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys. You guys take care now, and post in the comments below if you want me to redo this or do you want to just press on. So anyway, if you guys don't mind, hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're gonna have new stuff coming down the pipe here soon. And again, thanks for joining us here on 3D Print Farm. I'll see you next time. Bye now. Well, I printed a print with this. I printed a print with this. Last week we talked about doing a glow in the dark. Glow in the dark.